today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your privacy settings on Google Calendar. This is important if you want to ensure the events you manage and schedule on your calendar remain secure and private. Let's take a closer look at how to adjust those settings. First, you'll need to log into your Google Calendar. After successfully logging in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. There, you'll see an icon that resembles a gear. This is your settings icon, and it's the key to customizing your Google Calendar experience to suit your needs. Go ahead and click on it. Once you've clicked the gear icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From here, select Settings to access the full range of options Google Calendar offers. This is where you can tailor your calendar to function exactly how you prefer. Now that you're in the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the section labeled Privacy of Email Events. This is a critical part of protecting your information. You want to ensure that your email events are set to Only Me. Setting it this way guarantees that only you can see the details of your calendar events. This can be crucial for maintaining privacy, especially if you handle sensitive information or simply prefer your calendar details to remain confidential. Another setting to keep an eye on is the option for enabling the offline calendar. As you scroll through the settings, you'll come across this option. It's generally labeled as Turn on Offline Calendar. For security reasons, it's recommended to avoid checking this box, particularly if you're using a public or shared computer. Enabling the offline calendar can store data locally, which might pose a risk when you're not on a secure personal machine. Keep the box unchecked to ensure your information doesn't get inadvertently stored where others might access it. That's all you need to do. By following these steps, you've taken a vital stride towards securing your Google Calendar. Adjusting these settings regularly is a good habit, especially if you make frequent changes to your permissions or access different devices. Thank you for joining me today to learn how to keep your Google Calendar both functional and private. These small adjustments can make a big difference in maintaining your peace of mind and ensuring that your personal or professional life stays exactly that, in the right hands. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore other resources or consult with Google's support for more detailed guidance. Remember, keeping your digital tools secure helps you manage your schedule with confidence and ease.